Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Polio Jr. and this is 100% not a clickbait title. This will be the easiest $1,000 you will make. Trust me. Um, so I'm actually very close to getting there, and it hasn't taken me that long. So I'm sure you've seen, as you can see, I'm using my screen recorder, but I'm actually on the Root Car Insurance website. Now, this isn't where you would go. I just have it up here. But long story short, leading into how you would get the $1,000, how you would reach $1,000 is you have to have you have to get a referral link for somebody, and I'll leave my referral link in the description. Once you install the Root Car Insurance app, it only asks for two things, and that's one, um, I believe, just the name on your license and then your actual license ID number. After that, that's pretty much it. And then what happens is Root runs in the background every time you go driving, and it just monitors how you drive, how well you drive, and so forth. Like their whole thing is like we only um, accept good drivers under our car insurance umbrella, that kind of stuff. And depending on the, if you want to go with them after you do get a quote, that's cool. Maybe you will save a decent amount of money. But regardless, if you do get a quote, you get $25 and they can send that to you directly to PayPal. Now that's just $25 for you getting a quote. Now, on top of that, you get $25 every time that you personally refer somebody and they get a quote, then you get $25. So I believe that would be that maxes out at $1,000. So nobody actually has to get the car insurance. All you have to do is get the quote, and all you have to do is use once you actually sign up using somebody's referral code, aka mine. Um, once you sign up with my referral code, then once you get a quote, after about a week or two of driving, you get $25. But you don't have to wait until you receive a quote to refer people to download the application. It's for Android and iPhone. And so as long as they get a quote and they're not driving, like I said, they're not driving like complete a-holes, and you're not driving like a complete a-hole, then you will more than 99%. It's more than 99% likely that you will actually get a quote from Root Car Insurance, and they'll give you $25 every time. So just to keep it that simple, I know it does kind of sound like I mean I am. It's I'm definitely using like a little bit of self promotion, but after going through my link, you get $25, um, and then you start giving your referral link to other people who you know that drive, or you could just put it on your social media and so forth. And every time that they install the app through your link, you get $25 for every single person after they receive a quote, and then you can cap at $1,000. I have already received payment from Root Car Insurance, and they just sent it directly through PayPal without taking anything out either. So, like if it was like if one person comes in, then it's like okay, this person just got a quote from your link, and so here's your $25. And then you can decide how you want to get it. And so I did it through PayPal. They sent it directly through without taking anything out, $25 even, boom, and then just transfer that however you like. So it's really that simple. So the initial process is just clicking the link in the description. I promise you, this is definitely not clickbait. They advertise all over the place, especially on YouTube, and it's just a really simple way to make basically free money. Take a couple minutes out of your day. So I think you would have to get 39 other people to get a quote, because I believe it's 40 that you would actually. Let's pull it up here. Let's pull up the calculator. 1,000, yeah, divided by 25, divided by $25. So that means minus you, so minus one, you would need 39 people to sign up, and they have the Root app. It automatically starts up when they start driving and so forth. And then after a certain amount of time that they drive and Root feels like, okay, we have enough information to give you a car insurance quote, not to sign up for anything, then you receive $25 for everybody that you refer. So, and then you also will receive $25 clicking on my referral link in the description down below. And it's really just that simple. So use my referral link, and then just keep sharing yours. And every time you're just going to get $25, $25, $25, 25. It's just going to keep adding up. And then, like I said, they max you out at $1,000, but it's a very simple way to make $1,000. So, and it's no BS. Like I said, they send it to you through PayPal. If you want, you can also get a check or something. You can get something in the mail. But yeah, that's really it. So check out the link in the description. Download the app. It runs in the background. They don't ask for a ton of information. Once they see that you've driven for a little bit and that you're like a relatively consistent driver, you don't drive like a dick, then you're good. There's $25 for you, and then $25 for everybody you give your referral code to, and they don't drive like a dick, then everybody wins. So, and then you could possibly get an excellent uh, car insurance quote, but they will not give you a quote until you actually have the app running in the background for a certain period of time, and typically it's typically a week to 2 weeks is how it would go. But if you get enough people to sign up, if you know enough people, and you just blast that link out and say like, no, this is legitimate, then trust me, it definitely works. So, yeah, I just really wanted to share that. I thought it was really interesting that they do that. I know they're trying to get more and more people to get under their car insurance and so forth. But even if you aren't interested in the actual car insurance quote that you get, um, getting that $1,000 in pretty short period of time without you having to really do anything. I mean, just a couple of shares and that's it. So, but yeah, it's definitely worth a shot, but it's very simple. But yeah, that's all I have. Very easy. $25 every referral that you give. Like I said, again, reiterating, just use my referral link. Once you get a quote, you will get $25, and then just use your quote, just use your referral link from there to share to anybody else. And anytime somebody else gets a quote from your referral link, you'll just keep getting $25 until you max out at 1,000, and that's it. And they'll just say, okay, how do you want to receive your payment? It's really that simple. So, like I said, I just did it through PayPal. I know I reiterated a lot of things in the video, but it's just like they always say, repetition is the father of learning. So yeah, it's just that simple, and yeah, that's all. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this helps you, maybe give you a couple extra bucks in your pocket before the holidays, because as of right now, it is October 1st. So check it out, and hopefully you'll reach that $1,000 mark. And that's all I got. So I'll see you guys in the next one.